office to attend the Voyaging Impact the Future event, and it's 8 a.m. right now, and I'm super excited for today. This is today's outfit. My shoes, my gold earrings, and actually for exercising, I'm just doing for the first time, and then watch. And my hair is not again good because it's Saturday. Like it's 8 a.m. Saturday. So, but yeah, I'm just hoping with it. Like I came through white. My father dropped me here, and my hair got covered. So I'm really excited for today. Waiting for my friend right now. Basically, what I said till now is that I'm really excited about Google's event today, and it's 8 a.m. I am at my friend's metro station, and my friend is about to come. I never accessorize with nails, but today I have colored my nails pink with pink watch because that's the only accessory. And today is Women's Impact the Future event at Google Gurugram office. So we are going to get off at the Yellow Line's end station, which is Huda City Center or Millennium City Center. I feel really grateful to be have given the opportunity to attend Google's event of Impact the Future and meet so many amazing, inspiring women who are ruling in their fields. Today we'll be taking many insightful sessions, learning a lot, meeting new people, eating. Also, I would like to mention that how I change my stickers every time. And today I like my phone stickers every weekend because I love it. Last time I had Coca. Today I have Mom, I'm a rich man because I think that would work as a manifestation. So yes, Mom, I'm a rich man sticker. So after the journey of 2 hours or so in metro, we reached Huda City Center, and the Google sent us cab for us for free. We had to wait for a while because there was long line, but we reached Google office, and it was marvelously beautiful even from the outside. We could see the Google logo, and as we were heading towards it, many people were taking videos of it. So I think there would be many vlogs. As soon as we entered the venue, we can just see how Google has decorated everything with its Google agenda, and there is a Google sign on this building as well if you can zoom in as well. So I wanted to tell you there are 4 offices in India of Google. One is in Bangalore, one is in Hyderabad, one is in Gurgaon, and one is in Mumbai. And we are at Google Gurgaon office, and you can see how as you enter how there is Google logo, and the ceiling is so beautiful. Like you should know it's of Google's. It's really unique. There is registration desk, and I got the guest pass which I have to pin it on my clothes all the time. When my mom saw it, my mom was like, what is this? Is this your clothes tag or what? And now we are heading towards the conference hall where we are going to take sessions. So stay tuned.
We are growing and we're seeing that places are becoming more diverse. They are not exactly being very inclusive, right? We have to make the workplaces that we work at, or any spaces, or even community spaces, 2.5 years. And in cloud, majorly, I am working since last 9 years. And in my previous role, I worked with Microsoft as a cloud solution architect for all the central ministries, like maybe edtech or all the fintech or all the industry. Talk about chat GPT, and every day, like in the news, there will be new model might be like, it will be saying like from text you can create video, but how does
What I do at the startup is work with venture capitalists and their portfolio companies to build awareness and adoption of sustainability in their business operations. Comprehend this model is not working. Let's change.
Speciality of this event was that there were many experienced women giving the talks who were in their 40s or 30s, who are working in these big giant companies. Learned a lot from them, and then now we are at the pantry, and you can see there are 3 kinds of sugar. This is the detox water of the Google. It has all the herbs and fruits to detox you. अरे मैं तो पूरा व्लॉग बना के भेजूंगी अपने दोस्तों को। There was everything in lunch from butter paneer to butter chicken to dal makhani, kebabs, rasmalai, ice cream, roti, rice, everything. The food was absolutely delicious and it was wonderful time to net.
For you, or if there's anything I need to improve on so that next time when I'm addressing this is me, then I'm actually gonna hold to the integrity that I do follow these. I'm not speaking from just for the sake of giving a talk. And the last one is love for everybody sitting over here. Not romantic love, guys, but the care as if I'm talking about Google V program, I'm a Google V scholar. So
Hi sir.
how is it, Josh?
Hi sir.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. So आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे
learning and development training, and recognition for the impactful work you do in your community.
This was a few sneak peek of the event and the sessions, and you can see Google written over here if you have a keen eye. If you ever felt hungry in between of the sessions, you could always have cappuccino, tea, or hot chocolate. I had hot chocolate with cookies. It was really delicious, and the weather and breeze was wonderful too. So this was a short summary of how my day at Google went by. I know many of you are dreaming of working here someday. So let me know how do you like the vlog, and I really loved being around those inspiring women and learning about Gemini or how somebody got hired at Zomato or sustainability or inclusivity. I love everything about it. Thank you so much for watching.